Hello, it's Nisha with Teaching with Freckles and Grace, and I just wanted to hop on really quickly to show you the St. Patrick's themed writing prompts with organizing templates product. So this is a writing for different purposes pack. There's something in here for them to persuade, inform, and entertain, or author's purpose, which is pie. So looking at the first page, I have some tips on how to use this. Oops, sorry, I'm still being recorded. I have some tips on how to use this. So the first one is, you could read this on your own, but you can put it in their interactive notebooks. You can use each prompt as a consecutive tool. Have students put on a skit, encourage your students to decide if the leprechauns are funny, or if they clean a lot, if they do a lot of homework, or do they create mischief. There's so many different things you can do with this. Here's a little anchor chart for types of writing. It describes what narrative is: expository, persuasive, and descriptive writing or text. Here's a bit of expository writing with the prompt, how to catch a leprechaun. So this is their planning page before they write their paper. So it always needs to have an introduction. What's their thesis statement? What's their first main idea, second, third, and then their conclusion. Going to narrative writing or telling the story, the prompt is the day I caught a leprechaun. So who are the characters? What's the setting? What happens in the beginning? What happens in the middle? And then here in the middle, don't forget that it needs to have a problem, or in the beginning even, a problem or conflict here. What's the climax or the turning point of the story? And then how does it end? So this is the bare bones planning page. And I love flow charts and things like that. So I also try to incorporate that here. Here is my leprechaun descriptive writing. So what is the tone of their leprechaun? Is it funny, sad? I think about like the Blue Smurfs, or not the Blue Smurfs, but the Sad Smurf, or oh my gosh, Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. Like, what kind of tone, if you think about certain characters, what kind of tone do they have? What does your leprechaun look like? What does it smell like? Does it smell like roses, marshmallows? Kids are so funny, farts, boogers. What does a leprechaun sound like? And I really encourage my students to be creative with these and use their imaginations. What does your leprechaun feel like? And this is another opportunity to throw in some figurative language. So my leprechaun feels as squishy as a overstuffed, I don't know why I'm thinking about marshmallows a lot, but overstuffed marshmallow, or a fluffy white cloud, or my leprechaun's not soft at all. Maybe it feels as hard as a rock, and you can incorporate some of that figurative language in there. What does it taste like? If someone, it's a leprechaun, it's a story, but, maybe a part of the story is my leprechaun tastes like lollipops. And then what kind of mood does the leprechaun create? Does it create a happy-go-lucky mood, fun mood? Or, when people are around this leprechaun, maybe everyone gets sad, or everyone just laughs uncontrollably. So what kind of mood does it create? I think this is a great opportunity as well to discuss the differences between mood and tone, because I know a lot of students get confused with differentiating between the two. My leprechaun's portrait, and this is a visualizing page. So based off of these descriptions here, what does your leprechaun look like? And you can even have another student visualize based off of one student's descriptive words. What does this